In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer the ownership of a Google Drive file that you created to another person. On the screen, I have a document that I have already shared with myself, and I am going to show you how to change the ownership to someone else. So I've colored in the screen so it can actually look like there are two actual different people, since I am sharing the file with myself. And as you can see, I am the owner of this file. But if I want to change the ownership to this person, what you do is you click the Edit Files Directly button, which looks like a pencil. Here you have options on how they can interact with the file. And if you want to change the owner of the file, just click Owner. Now the ownership has changed to the new person. Once you do that, you click Save Changes. Before you change the ownership of the file, make sure that you want to do that, because there's certain things that you were able to do as an owner of the file that you are not able to do once you remove those privileges. So once you are sure that you want to do that, click Yes, and now the file is listed as being owned by the person with whom you shared the file. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel by clicking that red button below so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. And also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.